Hi, I am Matthias, co-founder of Marple, and I am here to show you today what Marple is and what it potentially could do for you. So we went right into it, and as you can see, there's already some data displayed on Marple. So in this case, we are using some Formula One data actually as a means of example. So Marple is really made by engineers, but also for engineers to have a look at their data, look at their sensor data, to really understand what happened with their system. So a real power of Marple is they can very easily in the browser, as you can see, zoom in and zoom out of your data. So you can make a quick selection, have a look left and right, zoom in and out using your mouse actions, and so on. So that is really the true power of Marple. As you can see, I already prepared some visualization here, but just to show you how easy it is to make a new visualization. So I'll select the speed signal. Maybe the throttle pedal is also an interesting one to have a look at. And I can also very easily change the appearance of a signal, to scale it a bit up or down. And what's also interesting is that we can do some calculations on signals. One that I really like to show usually is, for example, the moving average that we can apply to a signal. So let's do that on this signal. There's a little bit of noise on the signal, so it might be interesting. So I went to the functions. Here I have the moving average already selected, and I can very easily change the window of the moving average. Once I'm happy, I can actually create this signal, and then it will actually, as you can see, be applied, and a new signal is created. So it's really easy to do some analysis and preliminary analysis on Marple. The time series graphs are our prime use case, but we also offer things like a map plot. So here, I'll zoom out a bit. Here you can clearly see that the car is driving on the track. We also do scatter plots, so you can see correlations between signals. And quite recently, we also added frequency plots, so you can make a quick Fourier transform on your data. So this is the analysis part of Marple. We also have a data management part in Marple, and here you can really dump your data. So we use files currently as kind of like the transport mechanism to get data into Marple. In the comments, I will give you a link to see what data formats we support, but we have a variety of them. You can just drag and drop them in here, and then they will basically be available forever. And the cool thing is we do some processing on the data, and once the data is imported, all your actions, all the analysis actions will be pretty much instant. So we cover the basics here in the data management. You can put your data in certain folders, but also quite interestingly, you can also add some tags to the data sets to make it even more easy to find them back. So on the right-hand side, you can say, okay, give me all the data where we're flying with this model on a certain location, and so on and so on. And as you can see, immediately all the data is found. So if you want to try out Marple, very easy. You can just go to our website, click try it out. We have a free version for individual users. For the team plan, there's even a 14-day trial as well. All right, enjoy.